Welcome to our channel. If you need urgent medical care, follow these step-by-step instructions to choose the best urgent care center for your needs. Step 1. Verify the urgent care center accepts your insurance. Call ahead or check their website to confirm they're in-network, which will significantly reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Step 2. Check the center's hours of operation. Many urgent cares are open evenings, weekends, and holidays, but hours vary, so confirm they'll be open when you need them. Step 3. Research what services they offer. Ensure the facility can handle your specific need, whether it's x-rays, lab work, minor procedures, or treatment for your particular condition. Step 4. Read online reviews from recent patients. Look for feedback about wait times, staff professionalism, cleanliness, quality of care, and overall patient satisfaction. Step 5. Consider the location and accessibility. Choose a center that's easy to reach from your home or work, with adequate parking or public transportation access. Step 6. Check if they offer online check-in or appointment scheduling. Many urgent cares now let you reserve your spot online, reducing wait times significantly. Step 7. Verify the qualifications of the medical staff. The best urgent care centers are staffed by board-certified physicians, experienced nurse practitioners, and qualified physician assistants. Step 8. Ask about their affiliation with local hospitals. Centers affiliated with reputable hospital systems often have better resources and can easily transfer you if your condition requires emergency care. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.